Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the crisscross puff stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and be familiar with the puff stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. To begin, I have already made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the crisscross puff stitch. This is what it is going to look like. If you're starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to want to make chains in the multiple of 2. You're then going to work your first row all single crochet. Then your second row would be the crisscross puff stitch, which I will show you how to work on the row that I'm currently working. So to begin, I have already made 3 chains on my hook. First thing you're going to do is in the first stitch, you're going to insert your hook. You're going to grab the yarn you're working with and you're going to pull it through, pulling up a loop. You're then going to skip 1 stitch, and in the next stitch right here, you're going to insert your hook, grab that yarn, and pull up a loop. So you should have 3 loops on your hook so far. You're then going to insert your hook back into this first stitch that you pulled up a loop in. Grab the yarn you're working with and pull it through that stitch. So you have 4 loops on your hook. You're then going to stick it back into this third stitch. You have the first one you pulled up a loop, you skipped 1, and then you pulled up a loop in this third one right here. You're going to insert your hook into that one again. Pull that yarn through and pull up a loop. You have 5 loops. You're going to then do that again, first stitch and then the third stitch. So insert your hook into the first stitch, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through, insert your hook into the third stitch where you pulled up a loop, grab that yarn and pull it through. Right now you should have 7 loops on your hook. You're then going to yarn over your hook and take that yarn through all of the loops on your hook. You're then going to make 1 chain to secure it. And that's going to be 1 crisscross puff stitch made. So then you're going to insert your hook into this third stitch that we had worked into, the one where our puff is connected. Grab that yarn, pull it through. You should have 2 loops on your hook. You're going to skip this puff completely, or this stitch. You're then going to work into this third one right here. Insert your hook, grab that yarn, pull it through. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Insert your hook into that first stitch again. Grab that yarn, pull it through. Insert your hook back into this third stitch. Grab that yarn, pull it through. You should have 5 loops on your hook. Insert your hook back into this first one. Grab that yarn and pull it through. Insert your hook back into this third one. Grab that yarn and pull it through. You should have 7 loops on your hook, yarn over, take that through all the loops on your hook, then make a chain. So you're essentially working into this stitch right here that's connected with your previous crisscross puff. You're then going to skip over this completely, this previous one. You're going to work into this stitch or this space right here from your previous puff. I'm to the last crisscross puff on my row. You're going to insert your hook into this stitch right here connected with your last crisscross puff. Grab that yarn, pull it through. You'll have 2 loops on your hook. Skip over this puff. You're going to be working into this stitch or space right here. Insert your hook, grab that yarn, pull it through. 3 loops on your hook. Back into this one over here. Insert your hook, grab that yarn, pull it through. 4 loops. Right here, grab that yarn, pull it through. 5 loops. Back into this one. 6 loops, back into this one, 7 loops, yarn over, take it through all the loops, make a chain. Then in your last stitch right here with this puff, you're going to make a double crochet to end your row, and that's going to match the chain 3 that you made over here at the beginning of your row. So then for any future rows, you would just continue to make this row that I have showed you. And that is going to be how to make the crisscross puff stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.